Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Positivity to Prosperity. Today we are going to make this beautiful water fountain which can be kept indoors. So keep watching. So friends, the things required for this is a plastic bowl with a lid, and the lid you'll have to make few holes uh, so that the water can go back into the bowl. In top of that you'll have to make a big hole where you'll have to fix your light fixture. So I'll show you what kind of light fixture you can fix there. You will also require a 4 sheet foam board. So this foam board is basically your background to your decor. uh, for my fountain I'm choosing this Buddha idol which I have handy with me. You can choose any idol which suits your decor, and with it I would show you what other essentials are required. This is a motor, this is water motor, and this is available in any electrical shop, and this is the light fixture. You can ask for polycom light fixture, you can get it from any electrical shop. And this motor and this light fixture will require a 5-volt connection. This is electrical tape for connection, secure connection. This is the mobile charger which I am using as the adapter, and then I have created this water shower panel kind of stuff. So this will pump water on the foam board. Will connect it to the foam board. If you can see those holes there, we will connect it there, and then the other end of the pipe will go to the motor. So this shower panel, or whatever you call it, is the only tricky part in this whole project. It takes some time to create it. So other than that, it's very easy. So this is the A4 foam sheet. I have painted it as my liking. So this is a scenery I have painted. This will go as a backdrop of my fountain, and in front of it will be my Buddha statue. You'll see later part of the video how it will look. You can create any scenery you want. Now you see these holes are the one where the water shower panel, the water fountain panel head will be fixed, and then the whole project gets completed. I'm going to paint my backdrop or background of the A4 sheet with a dark color, so I'm using black. And then once this is done, once this is complete, we are ready to assemble our project. Now you take the bowl and take the water motor and fix the water motor inside the bowl very firmly. So you can use some strong glue, Araldite or Fevikwik or any other glue. I'm going to use a glue gun because I have it handy, and it is pretty quick, so that we can fast forward our project. So use a good quantity of the glue so that it is fixed firmly, because you are going to pour water in that bowl and the water will be always there. So now once you put that firmly there, you take the lid and now you ready your light fixture. So once you take the lid, make sure that the connection are done properly. So check your connections, or check your wirings, or check your diameters of the holes you have made properly before you fix it permanently. So now you can see this is correct, and we can go ahead and now firmly put the hot glue there and fix it permanently. So if you are using hot glue, be very careful, because the glue is very hot, tends to be very hot, and you may burn your fingers if you touch it immediately. So be very careful, uh, and don't do any adventures, because it's very harmful. So be careful whenever you work around with electrical stuff, or if you are working with a hot glue gun. Now you have fixed your light fixture firmly in place. Go ahead and you join your motor and the light fixture to the AC adapter. Now this adapter is a mobile charger, like I told you earlier, so it gives me around 5 volts for the motor and the light fixture to work upon. Now that we have fixed it firmly and we have put electrical tape, and okay, it's working, the checking is complete. So make sure you tape your connections, all the electrical wiring connections properly, because this is a water fountain and any water drop on the open cables can lead to some short circuits. So be safe, be careful. So this is our A4 board. Now that our bowl assembly is ready, now we'll have to fix this A4 board, foam board on the bowl. The lid will help you hold this A4 foam sheet in place. This is a flexible foam sheet, so it's firmly put in place, and the edges of the lid helps hold it there. But you'll have to make sure you glue it firmly there. So again, like I said, I'm using the hot glue, and you can use any other strong glue you have. Now I am going to put my water head or the water panel pipe there, and it works as the water fountain sprinkler, and then the other end of the pipe goes to the motor. I'm going to fix this again with the hot glue, and once it is complete, this is how our project looks. We are done, friends. This is what the water fountain will look like. Look at this, how beautiful it is. It's functioning as desired, as planned, so I'm very happy. Hopefully you liked the video, and hopefully you have liked the whole idea of the project. Now I'm going to place my statue of Buddha there, and then I'll give you a holistic view of this whole project. So look at it. A small tabletop indoor fountain. This can sit on your study table, this can sit on your computer table, and will not take much of power. And wow. So friends, I enjoyed working on this project, and I'm sure you liked watching it. So until next time, stay safe, enjoy yourself, have fun. Thank you.